Now, moving forward, are you one of those people who love coffee all day long and even at night, but can't sleep after indulging in one cup? Well, then this new coffee is for you. Introducing Counting Sheep Coffee. There is a new kind of drink made from decaf coffee and a natural sedative called valerian root that is specifically designed for you to drink at night to help you sleep. The product is appropriately named Counting Sheep Coffee. It comes in two varieties: Lights Out, which contains 235 milligrams of valerian root per 2 tablespoons or brewed cup, and 40 Wings, aka Bedtime Blend, which contains 176 milligrams of valerian root per brewed cup. So, drinking coffee after dark is possible. Now, the scent of the coffee, though, is said to be unpleasant, as it brews a strange tobacco-like scent emanates. They say it is the volatile oils in the root that is causing the polarizing stench. But to the coffee's credit, people who have tested it says they sleep amazingly well after drinking it. A coffee that makes you go to sleep. Who would have thought?